Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to restore missing power option from start menu in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and your start menu power option is missing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your command prompt, just open this command prompt or search for CMD, then run as administrator this, click yes. So once it's open, you just have to enter a command. So just enter this command here. There's the power CFG, then space dash restore default schemes. Once it's done, just press enter and it will be set it. So after doing this, you just have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, go back, go to your settings app, and in settings, just look for troubleshoot. So here I'm going to look for troubleshoot settings. So here's the troubleshoot settings. Just click on this, then click on other troubleshooters. Now you just have to look for power here. So once you find here power, you just have to try to run the power troubleshooter. So after running power troubleshooter, your issue might have to be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to open your CMD or command prompt again. Just open CMD, run this as administrator. And here you just have to enter a command which is SFC scan now. So I'm gonna enter this. Just copy this and paste it here, then press enter. So it might take some time, it might take several minutes, and once it's done, it will check if there will be any corrupted file in your Windows or in your system. It can fix that, and after fixing that corrupted file, your issue will be fixed, so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.